Welcome to BIM Civil Land Development Group. Our goal is to present subjects in a way to be useful and informative to the widest audience possible, from students and beginners to those with many years or decades of experience in land development and civil engineering. Your BIM Civil LDD consultant, Dan, has prepared the following presentation. For our next subject, we'll attempt to provide commentary on the use of technology in land development. Clearly, this is an immense and multifaceted topic. To begin, let's consider some very early use of technology. The handheld electronic calculator. Originally, these machines were limited in mathematical ability. As an upgrade, there was an introduction of so-called scientific calculators, which could handle more relatively complex tasks. Let's consider the use of Excel software. Certainly, Excel can perform everything that original handheld electronic calculators could do. There are people who use Excel to balance their checking account. When Excel is being used for basic addition and subtraction, it is certainly valuable and useful in terms of an application of technology, but it could also be viewed as a software being used for just a small fraction of its potential. The same could be said for the majority of technology software in land development and civil engineering, such as Autocad and Civil 3D. Even quite experienced users of this technology would likely admit that they are using only a certain percentage of the potential of these softwares. Regarding Autocad software, it could safely be said that this has been the dominant and most widely used software for drawing and design for land development. The Autodesk company has done well to improve and promote this software and develop its entire portfolio of engineering software. The dominant software for civil site land development could safely be said to be Autodesk Civil 3D. There was an intermediate version of software called Land Development Desktop, which evolved to become Civil 3D. For our purposes, much of the terminology and protocol such as layers, X-referencing, file management and so forth, is based on AutoCAD technology. It could be said that Civil 3D is basically an advanced or next-generation version of AutoCAD. For our purposes, we will refer to a CAD drawing or CAD file without concern to whether the software is AutoCAD or Civil 3D. Your BIM Civil consultant has formed the opinion that Excel software, in combination with any screen capture device, is a highly recommended approach to create, cross-check, and maintain backup calculations to verify and document engineering work. One of the particularly useful aspects of using a screen capture device is the fact that you can paste a screen capture image into other softwares. For example, we can locate a useful image, or diagram, or text. We can locate the image within our own computer files or from an online source, perform a screen capture on the image, and paste the image into an Excel sheet, or into a Word document, or into a PDF file, or even into a CAD drawing. The PDF file has also become an important part of our technology toolbox. Any file among CAD file, Excel file, or Word file can easily be printed and saved into PDF format. We are talking about a paperless print to PDF. The main benefit of the PDF format is the ease at which the recipient may open, quickly zoom in and out, and view the PDF file. PDF viewing software is generally easier to obtain, more readily available, and more user-friendly, compared to other softwares. The Adobe company tends to dominate the PDF file market. Similarly, the Autodesk company currently leads the market for CAD software, and the Microsoft company leads for Word and Excel software. Your BIM Civil consultant recommends an alternative to Adobe for PDF software, namely, the software known as PDF Exchange Viewer by Tracker Software Products. This recommendation is based on the PDF Exchange Viewer software ability to create files which may be marked up, receive editable lines of text, and be saved as an alternate version of the original PDF document. We live in an era where information can be quickly obtained online using search terms and the availability of instructional videos, Google and YouTube having emerged as dominant providers in the search engine and instructional video market. Having mentioned Google as a search engine, we also salute the Google company for its extensive portfolio of services, YouTube, Google Maps, Google Docs, Google Drive, to name a few. Your BIM Civil consultant hopes this presentation has provided useful insights regarding recommended softwares and service providers for civil engineering and land development.